Good morning, everybody. We are here. We have very few people in the chat right now, but we got Frank first in the chat. Frank, Outdoor Smile, CD Wit, Outdoor Smile, Nigev, good morning to you. We get CD Wit, Frank, Gorilla, CD Wit, Bender, Biggable Coke. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $3.98. It is insane for me. It is incomprehensible for me to scroll through X and see people literally happy that AMC is up to $3.98. That is just the strangest thing. I cannot comprehend it. Shiba Inu coin, very low volume today, 888 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 1401 right now, doing okay, up 4% on the day. Bitcoin sitting at 43,123. I'm telling you, man, every time it runs up, it runs into resistance. Every time it falls down, it falls into support. And we've been channeling in this tight range right here. This tight range right here, and expand it a little bit to there if you want. But dude, you're going 42.6 to 43.3 for like a very long time now, and that's very stagnant for Bitcoin. It truly is. If you look at the daily chart, you can see that we've been sitting basically in this range since January 27th. That's an entire week. More than a week, just sitting here between this $1,000 range, which is very strange for Bitcoin. And if you just take away this little volatility we had right here, we're in this range since December 4th. We've been here for 2 straight months. Bitcoin needs to make up its mind whether it wants to break up or break back down. NASDAQ sitting down 0.41% today. NASDAQ having a pretty tough day. Dogecoin, 7.8 cents. Ethereum, 23.47. Shib, 8.88. Bitcoin sitting at 43.164. The SPY down just a slight 0.04% today. QQQ down 0.64% today. Tech stocks must be getting hit pretty hard. Mullen Auto sitting at 7.25, up 5%, almost 6%. Sundial sitting at $1.36. Netflix 5.55. Highcroft Mining $1.92. MPW 3.25, back up just 2.5%. Tesla sitting at 181. Amazon 167, and Apple 188. Apple making its way back up from 187.20 to 188.80 right there. But we're going to keep our eyes on Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen as it's throwing 3 green lines in a row. What's up, bro? So all presidents aren't immune? Good to know. Something I might have missed it. Pendle's still on fire, not coming down at all. Giovanni, is it above 3? Is it above 3? We got to check out and see if Pendle's above 3 right now. Let's see where Pendle is for Giovanni. My best guess is that it's above 3 based on that comment right there. Pendle. Pendle, where? Oh my gosh, dude. 326. Near $1 billion market cap. Dude, weren't you looking at this in like the $5 million to $7 million price range? And it's up 100x from there? Oh, man, dude. Yeah, man. $7 million market cap range to $700 million. Giovanni, man. 100x gain in Pendle. Dang. You still did phenomenal though, man. I cannot rip you at all. You did phenomenal getting in down here at the bottom and ripping out in this area here, making a 20, I think it was a 20x gain, right? You did crazy good. Let's see. Frank, thank you very much for 29 months. Oh, bro. Frank says, news on the Roth. Tesla down 90 shares. AMDY up 15 shares. Netflix up 30 shares. We'll update the spreadsheet during my lunchtime. Yield max declaration day. Ow, ow, ow. Dude is ripping dividends. Very, very nicely done, Frank. And I can't wait to see how much your dividend income is, knowing that it's probably between that $650 to $700 per month range. Very, very nice, Frank. My goodness, dude. Frank, you've been a bro for over 2 years, dang son. Frank is the man. I know it hurts. Ugh, Pendle. Ugh, dude, it's ridiculous, man. GameFi tokens, Twin, GME, DNXC. Russell, we'll look at those tokens in a second here. I'm not too much of a gamer myself, so I don't know too much about them, but we'll definitely check out their technicals. Giovanni, 16 months of bro, and your man is still here. I love it, Giovanni. Thank you very much for being a bro for 16 months. Thank you very much for still being here, and thank you very much for reminding us every day that a hold strategy could absolutely work out by looking at Pendle here with 100x gains, man. Fox 7's here as well. What's going on, Fox 7? Ken Bros here. I like it. All right, let's look up Twin, GameStop, or GME, and DNXC. Now, Russell, I don't know if these are going to be on what network these are on here. Wow, dude. GameStop right now on the Solana blockchain. I think this one's newer, right? It's just been trending over the last couple of days here. Yeah, this one came out at the end of January. Holy smokes, man. It's up 100% on the day today. Going from 4.9 tenths of a cent up to almost 1 cent, tapped 1 cent here, back down to 8.7 tenths of a cent. All right, and GME, dude, it's looking good right now. Okay, it's looking very good. But this is a Solana meme coin that is just trending, and that's where it's gaining its value. I highly doubt that this is associated with GameStop whatsoever. But as you can see right here, it is the #1 trending coin on the Solana network today. It has had a huge rally since introduced. AMC. Now, I wonder, man. GameStop and AMC right here. Trending. Top 2. Same deal. Had a very nice rally. Pulled back on its way back up. Could be going back up to test double the price today and get back up to these levels right here. Also, no association with AMC Entertainment. So please be aware about that. GameStop and AMC, it's just a little strange. I mean, obviously there's a lot of people who are in support of GameStop and AMC, but it's a little strange because these tokens are not associated with GameStop or AMC. So just be aware of that. We'll look up Twin in a second. Honk, yeah, Russell, man. Honk is on my watch list, and I opened it up this morning and saw that it had nearly tripled since the 2 zeros and a 5, 3 zeros and a 5. Where's Honk at? That it was at the other day, going back up to 15 from the 500. Okay, 2 zeros and a 5. So 2 zeros and a 5 here, man, ripping back up to 1.5 cents, tripling in value basically over the last 24 hours. So Honk getting a very, very nice bounce off of this support line. We put these support lines on here a couple days ago as levels that I'd be interested in buying in. This was the first level of support. I wanted it to break this. Okay, I did not get in here, but if I did, you would have tripled your money. I would have tripled my money here. This is the next one. If it does end up coming back down and falling through, gosh, there's 2 zeros and a 2, and then below that, you got to come all the way back down another 90% to 3 zeros and a 2 before you see support again. Honk, Pinky, and some of these other tokens, not large ones, but tokens that have done Miro is another one that have done very well, that are pulling back. To me, could be like a bonk opportunity. So I am interested in them. Bigable Coke! Thank you very much for the super chat. Shout out to the long-term bros and all the bros out there. Shout out from me, and a shout out from Bigable Coke to all of the bros, and especially all of the long-term bros, man. Bigable Coke, thank you very much for that super chat. And truly, thank you very much for that shout out as well, man. A lot of people have been in here for a very long time, have kept their green names for a very long time, and I think it's absolutely incredible, man, that you guys are willing to stick around that long and have some fun together. Thoughts on NVIV? Steven, we'll check it out right now. NVIV, that might be a stock. InVivo Therapeutics, man. And sorry, guys. Sorry if I cough a couple times during this live stream. I'm telling you, man, my allergies were so stinking bad last night. My face was just raw red from the allergies. I was sneezing like crazy. I was coughing. So since I took some Benadryl, took some Zyrtec, all that good stuff, and I still got a little bit of a lingering cough to clear up there. But if you guys hear me cough, I'm very sorry. It probably sounds disgusting, but I got to get it out of there. But what were we just looking? Oh, NVIV. We got to pull that up right here. Are we looking at that, guys? NVIV is ripping 300+% today. We'll check that out in 2 seconds after I say, Bigable Coke! Thank you very much for the super chat. You take that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Bigable Coke, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And don't forget to buy your Bigable Coke today, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to buy that Bigable Coke out on Pancake Swap. What is the ticker symbol there? Bigable Coke? What's the ticker symbol on Bigable Coke? I forget what it is. I forget what the ticker is on Bigable Coke. You guys can search it out on Dex Tools and pull it up there. But if you didn't know, Bigable Coke has its own token. It is called Bigable Coke. InVivo Therapeutics is currently sitting up a massive 304%, 67, almost 68 cents to 89 cents a share. That's after getting rejected at this resistance level of $1 per share. So it's pulling back 10% after being up beautifully today from those 22-cent lows yesterday. Now, if I were you, I don't know why this is ripping today, okay? If I were you, I would highly consider some profit taking. Any stock to me that has only ever gone down, okay? Look at this graph, guys. This is the weekly graph. This is the weekly graph. You're going to $147,000 here. Look at the monthly graph, okay? Monthly graph, $369,000 per share, and it has come down all the way to 22 cents per share. You want to talk about a company that has died out? This company has died out. Earlier today, this was worth less than these brand new meme coins. Yesterday, this is up 4x gain. This was a $500,000 company, $600,000 company, and now it's sitting at a $2.8 million company. Think about that, guys. This stock wasn't even worth $1 million yesterday. This entire company wasn't even worth $1 million, and today it spikes up. Just to put that in perspective, okay, look at Honk. Honk is worth $13.7 million. It's worth 5-6 times as much as InVivo Therapeutics, and this is a meme coin of a goose with a knife. Yeah, that hopefully that puts it in perspective for you. But InVivo Therapeutics spiking up for some reason today. Is it on news? They had news 19 hours ago. I don't know what the news would be that's driving gains in... Nope, this is Neptune. Right here. What is going on, man? What do we care about CHEA stock for? I want InVivo Therapeutics. Well, this is news is whack on Webull right now. But regardless of that, all right, today is a phenomenal day. 90 cents. Short term, let's just take a quick look at it. It's breaking through the resistance level right here at 80 cents. If it does break that level, tapped it here, resistance, resistance, resistance. If it does continue that break, you could see a run back up to this area in here, $1.20. All right. It seems to have gotten rejected at that dollar mark right here. Tapped it there. Use it as like 3-4 days of support here, and came up to test it today and already pulled back a little bit. If it somehow breaks the $1.20, you're going $1.40. If it breaks that, you're probably gap filling all the way back up to here at $1.90, $2 per share. I am doubtful that it gets there, especially looking at its long-term graph. Nothing but down. And you're talking $360,000 down to 20 cents a share. So, intraday action, absolutely phenomenal on InVivo. If you guys were owning it, congratulations to you. You had a very nice lottery ticket play, but not something that I would ever consider investing in. Might be a nice short-term trade to try and ride up a little further and then be aware and get out very quickly. But it's very, very risky, man. Good morning, Pudgy. Never ignore the Pudgy bro. Geoped, late but made it. Better late than never, man. J-Bones, baby. Congratulations, Frank. Congratulations, Geo. Heck yeah. BBC. BBC is Biggable Cokes. Ticker symbol out there on Pancake Swap if you guys want to check it out, or Dex Tools. Whatever happened to eye contact? Pudgy. Dang it, man. I guess the eye contact was only for AMC Trapper. I don't know. Where the heck has Trapper been? I was scrolling through and looking at Twitter the other day. Might have actually been this morning. And I saw that I follow AMC Trapper out on X. And I was wondering where that man has been. I know he was working a lot, but AMC Trapper, if you're out there listening right now, we miss you, man. We miss you. Donk, oh my gosh. Up 26,850% in the last hour. Oh, Donk or Donkey? Oh, this one? This one's running. Where did you find this? Where'd you find this? This one hasn't even, this one's, oh, here it is. Okay. I was like, dude, this one's not even on the trending list, but yes, it is. I was like, dude, how did you find this coin? It's not even on the trending list, but it is. It's top 4 trending right now. Yeah, man, Donkey's ripping for some reason. No idea why. Be careful. Those guys might be looking for some liquidity. So on this big red line, you might have one last buying opportunity to go in there and double your money. It might be fading out by now. I just looked at Shib gains. It is just extraordinary. It is up 885,000%. That is huge, and I don't understand people saying Shib is dead. Rule that wheel, because they're looking at a shorter term time period, right? They're looking at the all-time highs from 2021 to the current day, right? If you look at that graph, it's basically done nothing but go down. In terms of Shib being dead, right? Shib can't be dead if it's doing tens of millions to hundreds of millions of dollars in volume every single day. A chain is not dead when that happens. A coin is dead when it's doing, $0 in a day, $50 in a day, $100 in a day, and just floating around there. Now, you can resuscitate those chains. You can revive those coins that are going down there. That actually happened to Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin was dead in January, February of 2021. It was dead, man. It was doing $0, $5, $10 worth of volume on a daily basis, and then something happened. Something happened in March. People began buying it. And then it began going up, and the rest is history. So, yeah, man, I don't know. I can call a chain dead, but I know that the fact that people can come in there out of nowhere, or a coin dead, and they come out of nowhere and just begin buying, and all of a sudden it rips up higher and never looks back. Shiba should move mid-February. Adrian, I hope so. Since it for Rumble to $100. Lamar loves you. Rumble to $10 first, man. We'll look at Rumble in a second here. But some people were coming in the other day and saying Rumble needs to get to $10. I don't know if it's there yet. Wow, dude, Rumble's doing very well. $8. All right, somebody came in here the other day. On this day right here, I believe, Rumble announced that they need to get to $10 to do some financing or something. And we put these lines on the screen here. Surprisingly enough, it came up and it tested this level of resistance right here at 684. Crazy that it actually made it that high. Had a little resistance there, broke back down to 5, began to go back up again. Broke that resistance. Now it's coming up to test this $8 range, 8 to 8.30. If it breaks this, yeah, they're going to most likely go for $10. But I'm telling you right now, Lamar loves you, okay? If you are looking at, yeah, okay, you can see it. If you are looking at Rumble, whether you're in it already or you are thinking about buying it right now, stop right now with the Rumble to 100, because the financing and the raise that they're going to be able to do when they reach $10 is most likely going to dilute investors. It's not going to be good for investors, okay? They're getting to those levels probably so that they can pay off some debt, or they might have an agreement that they're not allowed to raise any additional money until they get back up above their pre-SPAC levels and so on. So please, highly consider. I cannot make you do it. I cannot recommend you do it. I cannot tell you to do it. Highly consider around that $8, $9, $10 range, taking some profits. We're putting a stop loss on there. Because if they get to $10 or above, and if they do dilute investors, they're the ones that are going to make all of the money from that increase to $10. And they are going to rip it out of retail investors' hands. I'm telling you right now, man, they're not on your side. They're going to rip it right out of your hands. And Rumble will probably be trading at $2 per share again after they do. So consider this, man. If you've already run from $3 a share to $8 a share, what is another 20% gain? What's another 20% gain? If it goes up to $9 per share, what's another 10% gain to that $10 mark? Please, dude, look at what happened to all of these shares like AMC, GameStop, and so on. Who's rich? Who's rich? It's the suits, man. She was not dead, but the developers are too shy. Yeah, Adrian, I'd agree with that. I wish I had my X still. That's how I was able to get a hold of a lot of everyone to see what they're doing. Yeah, Pudgy. And Pudgy, you do seem to be very good at getting a hold of people. Mr. Simon, I think you got a hold of Grandpa Barney, right? You seem to be pretty good at that. If Rumble takes 2% of the video market, it would be a $50 to $200 stock. Bill's Mafia. Not going to be easy, though, man. Not going to be easy. I mean, YouTube is a powerhouse. You've got X out there, which is much bigger than Rumble. You've got TikTok, dude. People scroll through TikTok like they were never meant to do anything with their lives. There's a lot of other alternatives to Rumble. And I'm pretty sure that those alternatives pay better than Rumble does as well. Neurology appointments. Peace out, Kombu. Absolutely enjoy it, and hopefully you got some good reviews and some good reports coming in, man. Okay, no more grand name for YouTube. I get grand name her or Alexis. Whitgirth Bike. Alexis. What? What? Good luck, Kombu. Heck yeah, Honorarium. A Rumble making a huge announcement end of month. Any thoughts? I have no idea what it could be, man. I have no idea what it could be. None whatsoever. I don't follow Rumble, so I don't really know what they're up to. I don't really use Rumble, so I wouldn't know what they got going on, man. If you got any ideas, let us know though. Shib isn't dying. Its holders are growing every month. And currently 1.38 million holders of Shiba Inu coin. Wait, are we looking at stocks? Wait, what? Do we have stocks up there? Yes, we do, JB. Yes, we do. Getting nervous on Cyria. Russell, what are you getting nervous for, man? We've looked at Cyria several times. We know that it's going to be coming down like a 90% loss if it breaks down through those levels that we talked about. Now, dude, you can't be, listen, you can't be nervous because we talked about it since it was right here at 008. If it breaks through this 003, you're going to have like the dollar cost average opportunity of a lifetime coming back down here to 0.00004, 0 threes and a 4, 0 threes and a 3. So, yeah, man, look, I don't know why Cyria ripped up here in the first place, but if it does come back down to those levels, you could absolutely grab some in this price range again, dollar cost average down or whatever, but you would be looking at a 100x gain potential from here to get back up to those highs at 1 cent. Now, those market cap probably not going to show up yet, but 003, 3x gains, 4x gains from there, taking you to like a $12 million market cap. So, Cyria, are they a layer 2 network, or what are they? What are they? I'm telling you, man. These little coins like this that pop during the bear market and rip up like this, if Cyria does, listen, Russell, I might forget about it, okay? And it's not something that I have on my personal watch list, but I want you to watch this one. If it does come back down to this area in here, between 3 zeros and a 1, 3 zeros and a 4, please bring it back up, because I would be interested in buying some of this just in case it ever did get another spike. I mean, you're looking at 100x gains, man. It's something that you probably should hold in your portfolio is one of those lottery ticket chances, knowing that it 100x'd, died back out. People know it. It's going to be listed on exchanges, right? No, it's only on Bitmart, actually. So that's interesting. It's not even really listed on any exchanges. So if it does get listed, if these developers actually made some money and they use it to get listed on some of these other exchanges, yeah, man, you could be seeing a nice spike in Cyria here. So definitely something to keep on your watch list, and definitely something for you to let me know if it drops back down to these areas so that I can get back in, man. Marvin on Solana made some good profits. Check it out. Looks like another run might be coming. Marvin. Unfortunately, I bought Cyria. Well, Russell, that's the bad part, right? That's the bad part, buying at the top there. The good part is if you still hold it at this point, man, you can dollar cost average down if it does pull back through that support at 0.003 and starts to add another 0 on there. You can always dollar cost average down, and it should be fairly easy considering you'd be down like 99% on it. Marvin on Solana real quick. Let's pull that up. Kenbro can't be the only one out there making money. Man, dude, look at this donkey, dude. Donkey with a little penguin. I don't know why that penguin's there. Gosh, dude, pulling support off right here. Let's start to mark this chart up. Bouncing off this level of support right here. We'll keep our eyes on Donkey, ladies and gentlemen, to see what it does. But 0.02 from 0.015. Start in the morning at 3 zeros and a 1.5. Ripping up beautifully there. I said on Solana. This one? All right, this one's been very volatile. It's currently sitting at a $778,000 market cap. And, yeah, it's got some obvious lines of support that are holding up here. You've got that line to look at. Nope, not a ray. I want a line. This line to look at. Even below that, you got this line to look at. So be interested or keep your eyes on these levels right here if you guys are looking at trading Marvin. It has been out for 2 days now. It's got a decent score of 52. It's currently just waiting on more transactions and a larger liquidity pool to boost the overall DEX Tools score there. But $800,000 market cap at the moment, currently sitting at 0.08. If it's looking at 100 million total coin supply, so of course if it gets up to a $100 million market cap, it will be sitting at $1 per coin. So keep your eyes on Marvin as well, Ken bro. I like it, man. Thank you very much for bringing that up. Likey the smash button. Listen to Kombu and likey that smash button, guys. Click that like button. Listen to Shayna. Click that like button for sure, guys. Button thumb smashed. Roulette wheel. Thank you for buttoning that thumb smash button. Bounty coin to hunt down them Shib developers. Bigable Coke. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think that the Shib developers would probably be scared to be hunted down. But at that point, you know, what would they have done, right, to actually hunt down the Shib developers? I don't know if we should hunt down the Shib developers because I don't think they've theoretically done anything illegal up to this point. So far, double my investment with T-Pad. I think it'll go up higher. Giovanni, wasn't it up triple? No, wrong one. Wrong one. Down on the farm. T-Pad. All right, and it was in this okay, so I can see how you double. It was in that $6 range when you would have gotten in, $5 to $6 here. So getting in, this is the area that you would have tripled in. Pull back just a little bit here. T-Pad's still looking pretty solid though, man. $13 million market cap. It might never touch that $5 million market cap again. Dude, you could have gotten into the best plays ever, and if that bad boy... Dude, could you just imagine if that bad boy does what Pendle does, and it runs from a $5 million market cap to a $700 million market cap? Oh my gosh. Let's make today a super chat day for Claybro. Shayna, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And let's make today a super chat day. Super day. With super chats for Claybro. Shayna, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And any takers right there, Shayna? Thank you very much. Shib developers just irritate some holders. It doesn't equate to bounty hunting them. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Roulette wheel. No, I agree with that part, man. That's what I was saying. I don't think they've done anything illegal. Irritating? Yes, absolutely. Illegal? No, probably not. If Cyria could hit $1 or close to $880 million market cap, the next bull run will be I would be jumping for joy. Cyria at 0.03 to $1. What are you looking at there in terms of gains? It's more than 100x. It's a 300x, right? It's a 300x gain. Yeah, 300x gain. I'll take it. I'll take it, man. Russell, could you imagine, dude, investing like $1,000, 300xing, and taking that bad boy to a $300,000 profit? Oh my goodness. Non-recoverable, but with the deflation setting, I built, they are permanently destroyed when they are bought and sold on a roulette wheel. There's one thing I've learned from burns with a dead wallet versus the way I designed the burns. They are removed from circulation when they are sent to the dead wallet, and technically non-recoverable, but with deflation setting I built, they are permanently destroyed when they are bought and sold. Very nice, Honorarium. I sent 1 million Honorarium to the dead wallet, but the price didn't change. Maybe the amount was too small to affect the price. Yeah, roulette wheel. I would imagine that the answer is yes there. But if you are looking to affect the overall price of... Okay, so let's figure this out here. The price is determined by the amount that is in the liquidity pool, right? So you either need to put more BNB or less Honorarium into the liquidity pool to affect the overall price. That's how you're going to see a direct impact on the price of Honorarium or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. So the price only being listed on PancakeSwap makes it easier because otherwise you would be taking an average. If it was listed on PancakeSwap and Binance and you know, KuCoin or whatever, MEXC, you'd have to be taking an average of all those places. But if Honorarium only listed on PancakeSwap, you have to either increase the amount of BNB in the pool or decrease the amount of Honorarium in the pool, or of course increase the price of BNB that's in that pool to affect the price. I think those are the only 3 ways that you could theoretically affect the overall price of Honorarium, as opposed to just making it, just reducing the overall supply. Reducing the overall supply makes it more rare, and then it makes it more, I guess, desirable to investors out there. And man, Shayna, I guess nobody's taking you up on that super chat, super day, but still, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you. I'd like to throw out Shy and the whole ecosystem and put projects that only burn Shib and not use any other token whatsoever. They are only sinking Shib every day. So, Chris, that brings you to Ryoshi, the layer 2 blockchain that these Ryoshi guys and the Squid Grow gang is out there building. If they can actually build a layer 2 blockchain that uses Shiba Inu coin as the gas fee and burn Shiba Inu coin with every transaction, it begs one simple question. Why didn't the ecosystem team just make Shiba Inu coin the gas token? Because they didn't want to build utility for Shiba Inu coin. They wanted to build utility for their Bone token. And because they wanted to build utility for their Bone token, they used that as gas instead of Shib. Where's the CoinMarketCap fee wallet? That actually might be, yeah, that I don't know. You have to ask Dark Bro about that one, but that might be better than burning Honorarium right now. Hey, bro, bought in at 0.94, a 0. Call it a Solana killer. Great project. Dang, man. We got Ethereum killer in Solana. Now we get a Solana killer in a 0. Let's look it up, Bull Run. Let's see. Roulette wheel, in my honest opinion, sending some dough to the CoinMarketCap fee would probably be more helpful at this point. Could be very much more helpful, yes. Let's see. Yeah, it makes sense. But I would save it, roulette wheel. It's better to transact with contract than just sending them to a dead wallet, and that way they're actually destroyed. Yeah, that could be better too. Let's talk about XRP. Now hearing that they're getting into NFTs and that they're going to start doing the things in the U.S. Have you heard anything about Giovanni? I've not heard anything about the U.S. or the not heard anything about NFTs on XRP at all. I don't know if it was you or if I was reading something, but I haven't heard anything specifically on XRP in a while, or read anything on XRP in a while, I should say, but I haven't heard anything at all about the NFTs. 0, 0, 0. I gotta look up a 0 real quick. Let's look at that one. 94 cents, man. Is this one a Solana killer? Alpha Zero, currently sitting at $1.09, a $291 million market cap. Is this a layer 0 blockchain? I don't know what this is here. It's been out for a year, and it's had some decent support in that 75-cent range. Currently had a nice rally to about $1.90, $1.80. What is this? $1.87 here, and it's currently on its way back down. It's at $1.09 at the moment. Major support though at this 70-cent mark. A 0. See, it doesn't look like it is a. Doesn't look like it's a token. Blazingly fast, exceptionally private. I do like that, man. To deploy Web3 apps that are as fast as legacy solutions. Alpha Zero is a layer 1 that enables teams to deploy scalable, secure, low-cost, ZK privacy enhanced products across multiple verticals from DeFi and gaming to enterprise. All right, man, a 0. I don't mind this at all. Where can I get some Azero? I don't have my notepad open anymore. This computer. Oh man, I hope that's saved. I had some contract addresses on there. Where can you buy this? When are they going to start letting us use KuCoin in the United States again? It's pretty annoying. Mexi, KuCoin, Gate.io. Gosh, dude. Everybody outside the United States always gets all these opportunities. Where did you buy it? Bull Run 24, where did you buy a Zero at? Cyria, a lot of funding on CoinMarketCap comments. Very good. Fudding or funding? Let's see. CoinMarketCap fee wallet is currently at $1,002.44. Very nice, Honorarium. That's a very, very good start. That's why Honorarium had been dipping. As soon as it goes higher, some holders must have sold some Honorarium to send to the CoinMarketCap wallet. If the CoinMarketCap wallet is an Honorarium wallet, I don't know if they would have necessarily sold it off. They could have just sent it there, right? Let's see. I have 2 brain cells today, and they're both fighting for 3rd place. Big ol' Coke, man. Story of everyone's life. Just spit out my drink. Honorarium. Me too, man. That was pretty funny. Sorry, bro. Do I owe you a keyboard or a monitor? Which one is it? Got my phone. There you go. Thank me later. Bull Run. Bought on KuCoin. Bull Run, do you live in the United States? I mean, I don't personally care if you're using a VPN or whatever. I have not used a... Sorry. I've not used a VPN to buy any of these coins before. I don't want to risk my wallets or anything like that. But I know I can't use KuCoin here in the United States anymore. And I didn't know if you were using it or if you live somewhere else. Honorarium holders selling are going to miss what is going to happen in the future. They'll kick themselves for selling so low. Roulette wheel, I'm just going to set it and forget it, man. Consider my Honorarium burned until it gets to like $100 billion market cap. Then we can talk about selling. Got to support Dark Bro, dude. I'm holding that coin. I will create 0 selling pressure until Honorarium reaches ridiculously high market caps. And then I will consider taking some of my profit. My phone is waterproof. Well, Honorarium, that's good. I hope you got insurance. I can't afford a new phone. Big ol' Coke says, forget about it, man. Okay, maybe a new keyboard, yeah. New phone, definitely not. A PA. Boy, I'm a PA too. Where you at in PA? What the heck, man? This dude's using a VPN. I know he is. Very good, Bull Run. Hopefully that works out for you, and no issues there. I truly, I mean, I guess it's not that big of a deal if you buy it and then, you know, to get it off of that exchange there. I wouldn't be comfortable holding it on that exchange, especially buying there. Microscope searching for pennies is addictive. Pudgy, I've actually seen guys before with, I think they were TikTok channels. They haven't popped up on my feed in a very long time. But, dudes make an entire living out of that. And I've thought about it before. You know, my uncle, he's actually very interested in coins. I think he's got some coins that he collects. I don't know if he's listening right now or not. But, dude, you guys that are interested in coins, right? You go out there, and it's very similar to the people that open up Pokemon cards, and they're always trying to get that winner. I'll tell you this, okay? It's one thing to buy a pack of Pokemon cards, legitimately buy it, open it up, search for winners and stuff, and great. Some other idiots out there, they buy the pack of Pokemon cards, they open them all up, and then they will literally put the cards back in the opened containers and ship the container back as if they just wanted a refund. That stuff is the scammiest stuff I've seen. Don't do that. But if you're actually interested in coins and going through, because I've seen so many people, you know, search these quarters, search on different coins. Dude, you could go to the bank, grab a roll of pennies, grab a roll of quarters, whatever, and search through it. If you don't find any winners or whatever, simply take it back to the bank, dude. That's the thing about currency that's cool. If you're looking for winners, if you're looking for these rare coins, these dates, whatever, misprints and so on, you don't even have to spend any money doing it. You can simply look through them, find your winners. People want to know whether you got winners or losers or whatever, so they'll watch you go through and watch all these things. And then, you know, if you don't have any winners, I mean, just take the quarters back to the bank, get a whole new roll of quarters, a whole new roll of pennies, whatever you got to do, whatever your game is there. So, yeah, that could be something a lot of people are interested in finding those hot coins right there. Shayna, thank you very much for throwing a green name out there. And it goes to Bull Run 24. Thank you very much for that green name. Shayna throwing another membership out there after the Super Chat day. It is looking good right now. And guys, so look at this. Shayna doesn't even have a green name herself, and she's throwing a green name out there. Somebody throw a green name to Shayna and get her one as well. She's a little gray name, Shayna, and she's throwing a green, and Bull Run grabbing it right there. I love it. Roulette wheel coming through with the forgot to click the big screen. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm telling you, man, somebody better be grabbing Shayna a green name after she's throwing green names out there as well. Thank you very much for the green name. Welcome to the bros. Bull Run 24. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And I like it, man. We got Johnny Quest saying thank you. Biggable Coke saying Shayna coming through with that membership. Biggable Coke with woo woo. My honk on ETH burned to 0. Very nice. I didn't know that honk was actually on Ethereum, Caesar. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them as always. Enough. Sindri, you didn't like that? Or you did like it? No, I don't even know. Is that what you were trying to do, though? Maybe Sindri did like it. Maybe Sindri didn't like it. I don't know. But I'm telling you, man, somebody better be grabbing Shayna a green name after she's out there. A little gray name girl passing out green names like that. Biggable, 20 minutes from me. What in the world? You guys are best. Did you guys just become best friends? Yup, you did. Relaxing sounds. Today morning, started pumping coins. Accidentally sold 100 euro ladies too low, and it crashed now. Relaxing sounds. What do you mean you sold it too low and it crashed now? Ooh, dude. Did you sell the actual ladies or this milady coin? This is the wrong one here. This is a $7,000 market cap. This one did crash to 17.77%. This one is down on the day. This one's, ooh, dang, you want some volatility. Getting this coin right here. Gosh, I wish that volume was higher. Man, if that volume was higher, look at that volatility there. You could just be going back and forth, doubling your money 50 times a day. That would be insane, man. But you want the actual ladies coin. Ladies coin down 2% of the day today. $40 million market cap. Kenbo throwing it. Did Shayna grab? Shayna didn't even grab one. Shayna, turn your gift receiving enable your gift receiving. Oh my gosh. That is what I'm talking about right there. Yes. Clay, I did see your earlier video. Do they have a release date for Ryoshi? Chris, I do not know if they have a release date for that yet or not. Shayna, turn on your gift receiving. Kenbro throwing out 10 green names. Yes, man. Kenbro throwing that out there right there. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, grabbing that green name. Johnny Quest grabbing a green name. Crypto Dreamer grabbing a green name. Aru Basu grabbing a green name. Dropped Internet Connection grabbing a green name. Nufo with a green name. Nick Gav with a green name. Challenge Channel with a green name. Mad Snowball with a green name. And KHSGR8 with a green name. Kenbro making sure everybody in the chat is green. I love it. Guys, if you grab that green name, please say thank you to Kenneth. I'm pretty sure that only leaves Roulette Wheel and Shayna with gray names in the chat right now. Both of you need to enable your gift receiving because Kenbro throwing and Kenbro throwing big out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody who grabbed one, and especially the people throwing those green names out. Thank you guys very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys are killing it today. I love it. How has Nick F been gifted a green name? Peter? I guess he didn't have a green name, man. I guess he didn't have one. Gosh, hold on. I got to drink again. This is crazy. Giovanni, I want a green name. I want a green name. I want a green name. Giovanni, you got a green name, man. You've got a green name. Giovanni, you already got one. Yes, he does. Honorarium. Yes, he does. He wants one, and look at that. He's got one. Thank you guys very much for all of the green names. Thank you guys very much for all of the super chats. Looking so good right now. Kenbro throwing them out. Geoped. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Chris saying, please hit the like button too, folks. Yes, guys. Do not forget to click that like button. It is very, very easy to forget to click the like button, but it is also very, very helpful if you remember to click the like button. YouTube knows you like it, but if you actually tell them you like it, they're more likely to recommend it to other people. Bitensor Tau skyrocketed since it came out, but no one really talks about it. Why is that? Giovanni, my best guess is that it's not going to have the search volume that other tokens have. So we can take a look at that in a second here. Let's see. Shayna says, I'm good. Shayna doesn't want a green name. Shayna is... Oh, God. Did Shayna and Roulette Wheel just become best friends? Yep. They don't want green names. They want gray names. You little gray name people. Oh, my gosh. Love a clip. Always informative. Russell, man. Love you, too. And thank you very much for all the great questions you bring, Russ. Seriously, man. To my last two brain cells, finally give out Honorarium. They might have, man. They might have. I don't know. Alexis, what? What are you crying for? Don't cry, Alexis. Shayna, how you doing? Outdoor Smile, how you doing? You know what, Giovanni, this would be my best guess on Potensor. I'm going to start sneezing. Let's take a look at this real quick. All right, T-A-O, T-A-O, not ow. Ow is not a letter. Man, $3 billion market cap. Ridiculous, dude. It has been doing phenomenally. $42 to 10xing to a $483 price. All right. So, past day. No, give me the past year. Give me the past year. All right. Potensor right now is actually supposed to be building up to its highest level of search volume ever, basically over the coming week. Now, let's compare it to something like... Okay, that was clearly the wrong search term. If you compare it to something like Shib, right? Potensor is sitting at a level of 1. Shib's at a level of 100 back in August when Shibarium was trending. You got more action in December when that first burn came out. Potensor's at a level of 3. Shiba Inu coin is 30 times higher at a level of 94. Now, Shib has been falling off drastically, coming down to these near all-time lows over the last month and a half. And it's currently at a level 35. Potensor's at a level of 3. It's not the fact, man, that people don't want to talk about it. It's almost the fact that nobody cares to look at it. That drives what people view as talking. Right? When you see people making YouTube videos or people making X posts and so on, they look at these analytics and they say, nobody cares to know about Potensor, even though it's doing very, very well. Nobody's searching for it. Now, the other part can be true as well, that it's still doing very, very well and nobody knows about it yet. Imagine what's going to happen when people actually do care about it and it actually does go up in search volume. Imagine how many more people are going to buy it then. So I would say that's why nobody's talking about it, is because nobody really knows about it. Nobody's really searching for it. They're not trying to get it. You have to show me how to... What does that say? Somebody comment. The stupid heart button is in my way. I can't see what it says. Oh, there we go. You have to show me how to snag a gifted green name. If you listen, it might be different on everybody's phone, but if you click on the thing that Ken sent, it should pull up a thing that says gift receiving, and you should be able to enable or disable your gift receiving. So for example, if somebody else sends a green name out there, the way these green names work is if you're in the chat and you don't have a green name, you get first priority. If your gift receiving is enabled, you're gonna get it. If nobody in the chat has their gift receiving enabled, it's gonna give it to basically the next random person that has their gift receiving enabled. So you should be able to go in there without having to go through your YouTube settings and all that and enable your gift receiving simply by clicking on that thing that Ken Bro sent and then enabling gift receiving. If not, I can help. If anybody's got a way to make it easier for Shayna to receive that green name, make sure to do so. Let her know. We got to get this girl a green name, man. We got to get her a green name today. Sindre Hovandes, thank you very much for your very first super chat. Please burn some Shib. Make me rich. I will be burning some Shib. I'm going to be burning 25 million Shiba Inu coin, all right? I just ran the numbers this morning, and I ended up buying, I just rounded it up to, it was 21.7 million Shib, and I said, all right, forget about it. I rounded it up to the 25 million Shib. I must be my OCD or something. I couldn't stand to burn less than 25 million because, of course, we burned 25 million in January, and I did not want to go back down. I did not want to burn less than that. So I am, I'm going to be sending 25 million Shiba Inu coin to the dead wallet as soon as Coinbase allows me to withdraw it, and I'm sure it's going to take a couple days. The same way that it did last time. They don't let you withdraw as soon as you go out there and buy it. So I've got the 25 million Shiba Inu coin ready to go. As soon as Coinbase allows me to do it, we will be burning another 25 million Shiba Inu coin. Because I'm burning some of my own money in that to round it from the 21 to 25. I simply ask that you guys would be willing to go out there, share that link with somebody, use it if you haven't been using it, and let's make sure that doesn't happen for our February accumulations, all right? I don't want to be burning my own money in March, and I am burning some of my own money to bring it back up to 25 million, so just make it happen, guys. Share that link with your family and friends. Make sure you use it if you haven't been using it, and so on, but we're going to be burning 25 million again, man. Stupid hearts. These stupid hearts are stupid, man. Is Tau only having big investors since it is not very popular? Giovanni, it could be very likely. Because retail investors love to jump on these little memes, and they are very popular, but Tau might be geared more towards the large money. Hey, earning your pennies out of 9 ads from me so far. Boom, boom, pow! Peter, man. I didn't know you got 9 ads. That's crazy, but thank you very much for watching them. Excuse my language, mod. Sindre, yes, man. I bought another Shib hoodie, so how much Shib can you burn with that? Roulette wheel, I'll have to look because I don't know. I think the Shib hoodies are like $35, right? And the commission varies on whether it was a zip-up hoodie or whether it was the pullover hoodie. So I have to see how much Amazon... They do break it down, and it varies. So I have to see how much they give based on the one that you would have gotten there. Outdoor Smile says 30. I know I might have missed something. Get your baby doge now. Get it. Also, everyone, could you please go vote for Honorarium on Gems Radar? I will post a link. There you go. The heck definitely froze over. Clay's in his own money to burn shit. Roulette wheel. I'm telling you right now, man. I'm telling you right now. I don't want to do it but I also don't want to go back down below the 25 million. It's just, I can't, there's something about like the achiever, the maximizer, whatever in me that does not want to see it digress. So please use that link. I don't want to do it again in March, and I might not do it again in March. Who we get a green name in for? Guys, yes, in the afternoon live stream, somebody better be giving Shayna a green name. Kombu! Meow! 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 Thank you very much, Kombu, for the super chat. I didn't even realize it's after 1 o'clock, guys. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back at 4 o'clock. Shayna will have a green name at 4 o'clock. And we are going to get our names in the chat right now. We got shout-outs. We're going to have a great afternoon, man. Roulette wheel, see you later. Honorarium, have a great one. Outdoor Smile, Ken Bro, see you later, man. Roulette wheel. Shayna, click on that thing right there and enable your gift receiving. Ken Bro throwing out. Did she learn how to click on it? Did she learn how to enable it? Let's see if she's got a green name right here. We got Russell with a great... Boom, boom, pow! Yes! Ken Bro throwing out and throwing out hot, man. Russell grabbing that green name. Alexis grabbing that green name. Shayna grabbing that green name. Sindri grabbing a green name. And VC grabbing that green name. Ken Bro said, what the heck we gonna wait until 4 o'clock for? Let's get Shayna that green name right now. Yes, Ken Bro, man, thank you very much for the 5 additional green names, man. Thank you very much. Yes, green name. Alexis got that green name right there. Peter, man. Peter throwing out in a big way as well. Peter watching 10 stinking ads on this YouTube video. Peter, man, thank you very much for watching those ads. And you know, you guys don't have to throw super chats and stuff like that. Peter, the simple fact that this man watched 10 ads, those add up. Right? If everybody in here was doing that, we'd be making at least $3 right now. Geoped, man, shout out to you. Honorarium saying peace out to the diamond-handed hearts, baby. Chow sausages, Peter. Enjoy your day. Until the next time, Giovanni. Absolutely, man. Ken Bro, thank you very much. J-Moon, see you later, man. We got Ken Bro throwing out 5 green names. Russell, Alexis, Shayna, Sindri, VC, Apostle of Memes. Thank you very much for being in here. Honorarium. Shayna got it, heck yeah. Alexis, green name. Peter, 10 ads. Alexis, Markel, see you later, man. Dropped internet connection. Thank you. Shayna saying thank you to Ken Bro. Thank you very much, Ken Bro. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. SD, later to you. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, J-Bones. Honorarium, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you, Biggable Coke, have an awesome day.